I don't think you can imagine the amount of moving pieces that go into running a hotel.
Hotel rooms are very abusive environments. People don't take the same care at home. And then trends change, lifestyles change.
The faster we can get back online with renovated rooms, the better it is for us.
Hotel Arts was the first boutique hotel in Calgary. We opened up in 2005 and we had a really interesting start, showcasing great design and some avant-garde approaches to hospitality.
That side of the building that we're renovating dates back to the 50s, so you can imagine what the infrastructure is like. They're all concrete walls. We can't get into them. We've had to build out baseboards to hide electrical.
So we were looking for an innovative partner to help us with the renovations.
DIRTT is a new product to me, and when the idea first came to use DIRTT for hotels, I didn't quite understand what it meant.
We set up an appointment to go see your plant, and I went in there dutifully to sort of listen and hear. I didn't expect to come out being your biggest fan.
What they've put together for us in conjunction with our designers is absolutely amazing.
Every hotel, every brand, every location has its own unique demographic and flavor and identity.
What we were thrilled about was being able to use the ICE technology and sort of scope out how everything looked. We had greater cost certainty.
Renovation, one of my pet peeves is the waste. The waste stream from hotels especially. And
it can be noisy and dirty, whereas the new DIRTT solution, it's pretty seamless for us to get in there, move in and out, and less waste as well. Guests were curious, but they had really no idea in terms of the guest experience from a noise perspective, and would ask our front desk, "Really, you guys are doing renovations? We had no idea."
We could customize all of the millwork so that it fit perfectly and seamlessly. You knew that everything was going to be measured, it was going to line up with the panel behind it, and that the luggage bench was going to fit in with the vanity, and that all of the handles and little details were all going to match.
It's going to be so much easier to service the particular rooms by being able to remove a panel, to take a look at some electrical lines or some plumbing.
As we renovate and modernize, you can just unclip the pieces and clip on new pieces.
There's so many different things that we can do that add a layer of freshness to the guest experience and a wow factor that they're going to talk about for some time.
Moving forward, I think it's something to be very interesting if we end up building a complete DIRTT property.
For sure, I would do this again. I think it was a really nice experience.
For me personally, I manage our reputation side as well, so all of our online reviews, and we feel that this is just going to reset our online reputation tremendously.